In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags when you're commenting, either to tag the person whose post you're commenting on, or to tag one of your pages. So here we are on the homepage of LinkedIn newsfeed, and let's say, for example, I want to comment on this post. So just click on comment, and then if I want Natasha van Graan to see this comment, then I just tag her, and I do that by typing in the @ symbol and start typing her name until it comes up as you see there. Select it, you'll see it's bold, and then make your comment. Right, so now that your comment is there, you post, and you will notice now that that changes to blue and it's a link. So that means if I click on that link, it will go straight to Natasha's profile, but she will also be informed that I tagged her in a comment. So that will attract attention, which can attract attention to me as well. If you want to tag a page, for example, so if I wanted to tag my company page, again, the @ symbol, start typing in the name of your company until it appears for you to tag it. So there you go, there's my company page. Select it, again you'll see it's bold. When I post, it will also become blue and a link to my company page. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.